Hello, carpet cleaning world. This is your administrator, Roger Lloyd, and it is July 13th, 2019, and this is Roger Lloyd's Friday Night Insights. You know, I have been really watching and reading a lot of the posts here in the carpet cleaning world Facebook group and even some other groups. And it just never ceased to amaze me when you have new guys or struggling guys in the industry and they try to ask certain ways on how to get more work. And you always, they might throw out, a couple ideas, or should they hand out this, or should they advertise this way, or however. And then all the veteran carpet cleaners always come back and say, oh, well, the best way to advertise is through word of mouth. I mean, I can clean one job and I can get 3 or 4 referrals right away. Well, great for you. But at one time, when you first started out, you weren't doing that. Or maybe in the middle, before you got all the equipment and figured out about high heat, vacuum, soft water, and all the other mystical things that shouldn't be such a mystery, that you weren't doing that. Like, you have these guys, you have one guy, I think his name is Caesar. Welcome to the group, Caesar. And I think he was saying how, he has a portable machine. It's 120 PSI, and he has one 3-stage vacuum, and he doesn't have any heat. So yes, the Mighty Turbo is a good heater. It will, make the water warm or whatever, depending on if you're starting off with warm water, then it'll make it hot. And then, you try to still carpet clean. And that's the thing, like, are you carpet cleaning or are you a professional carpet cleaner? There is a big difference. There's a major difference, because a carpet cleaner is going to go into someone's house and he's going to just be trying to fight and get the dirt up the best way he can. But then when you watch guys that have been doing this and really know what they're doing and is trying to master their craft, you see them do one swipe with their wands, no matter if it's an expensive wand or a 2-jet wand. And the thing is, it's all in there. It's not just in the chemistry of the chemicals. You have to have soft water. You have to have high heat. You have to have good suction. Of course, we know these things, but how do we achieve them? These new guys are asking us in the industry, how do I get this? Somebody help me. And I used to wonder 20-some, almost 30 years ago, I used to sit there at the John Don's and Interlinks, and I will watch these guys bring their truck mounts in and take the truck mounts out, and I would see water softeners, I would see high heaters, heat exchangers, propane heaters, all these things, but no one was talking. No one would share with this newbie carpet cleaner that this is what you need to be considered to be a professional carpet cleaner. Now, yes, you do want to aim to get a truck mount, but I get it. If you're just starting out in the business, that may not be an option. But what you do have to get is the right portable equipment so you can still try to get professional results. See, the name of the game is to get clients, to get the phone to ring. And then it's not to just always get new clients. You do want new clients, but it isn't always to get new clients. It's about making sure that you keep advertising professionally to the clients that you already clean for. And the way it works is you have to do such a good job for them so they do want to refer you, that they do want you to come back. And see, this is what the carpet cleaners, the veteran carpet cleaners, aren't sharing with you. Most of the ones that I talk to, and I talk to a lot of them, say, well, if they don't figure it out themselves, then, I don't know what to tell them. And that's not the right answer. No, if you're going to start off with a portable machine You need to at least have 2-3 stage vacuums in that machine. You also need to have at least a 500 psi pump. And this is what I tried to explain to the man in the post. This is going to help him. It's not about liking me. It's about helping him to achieve professional results. So this isn't a nightmare to get started. And he's 20 years in, 10 years in, and he's just like, why has no one ever told me this before? I mean, I'm in the carpet cleaning Facebook groups. I watch all the YouTube videos. I go to the Interlink Supply and John Don's and many more, but no one is explaining to me, listen, man, listen, young man, you are wasting time if you're just going back with the wand, back and forth, and expecting professional results. See, the thing is, you shouldn't have to use a lot of pre-spray. That's what kills me when you guys want to have pre-spray battles and what chemicals work best and all that. No, they all are to obtain an objective, but they all work to some faucet or whatever. Basically, it's just which one that you like best or works best for you or whatever. Listen, high heat, soft water, vacuum. You want to have a strong blower if you have a truck mount. You want to have 2-3 stage vacuums if you're using a portable. You want to have a 500 psi pump. If you have a truck mount, you already have the pump in there, so you don't have to worry about that. But now, this is a key essential element. You have to have the right heat. Now, if you have a truck mount, you already have either a heat exchanger or a propane heater. But if you have a portable, listen to me, ladies and gentlemen. If you want to clean carpets, then fine, get whatever heater that you want. But if you want to be a professional carpet cleaner that gets the best results that a portable can offer you, you want to get a little giant propane heater on a cart, a LP3, at least 120 BTU heater, so you can go in there and you can perform like a truck mount will. Then no matter what you're using, your customers will see the results and they will want to continue to use you. But it goes deeper than that. Listen, when you guys are advertising, you have to understand that what we do, cleaning, is seasonal and it's event driven. Everyone say that with me right now. Carpet cleaning is seasonal and it's event driven. Right now, we are in the dog days of summer. After July 4th, after all the fireworks, after everyone goes back to work and they start to line up their vacations and things like that for the next 60 days, 45 to 60 days, we are in the dog days of summer. People aren't interested in carpet cleaning anymore. Before you say, what are you talking about? I'm going to explain it to you. Now, this is the thing. From April, maybe March, but from here, because it starts getting really springy in April now, but whatever, starting in March till July 4th, now, people, you can talk about spring cleaning. You can talk about carpet cleaning and how you need to open up and brighten up the house and get all the winter traffic and all that nonsense out there, carpets. But now you don't want to use the same advertisements. See, that's where carpet cleaners get wrong. I don't care what kind of equipment you have. You're so proud. We're so proud. No, you have to attack what the season and the events are in front of you. Right now, you're in the dog days of summer. What do you want to talk about? Odors, 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 nothing else. Don't talk about carpet cleaning. And if you're still silly-minded right now, saying, Roger, what are you talking about? We do carpet cleaning. Yes, brain surgery, you do carpet cleaning. But that's not what's going to sell right now. And that's what you have to understand. You have to sell what your customers and consumers are interested in buying. And then you can't talk to them in a silly way when you're advertising. But right now, I want to show you 2 ways that won't cost you a dime that you can advertise right now, not only to new clients, but to your existing clients that will effectively make you a lot of money if you follow my instruction for the next 45 days. Now let's take a look at this. All right, right here, what you're looking at, this is a Facebook group that I belong to. I'm trying to, wait a minute, my mouse isn't working here. Give me a second. But you guys can hear me. So anyway, this is a Facebook group that I belong to. And what I'm doing is I'm actually showing you my post. Now, in this Facebook group, I'm not showing them, yes, it does. It is an advertisement, but it's a picture. It's a before and after picture of a pet stained carpet and then a clean carpet. And then at the top, it has a picture of a dog laying on the carpet and the lady's pointing at a spot that he made. Now, that's the advertisement part. But this is what it says in the post, in the body. We all know that pets are adorable and how we love our pets. We often treat them like family members. If you are a pet owner, you are probably aware of how pet stains and odors happen just when you're not looking. Your house pet has accidents, and your lovely carpet and furniture has been decorated with stains. Your pets bring joy into your home on a daily basis. Unfortunately, they also bring unpleasant odors, which is unbearable. And so after that, I gave them that. You notice I didn't talk about selling or what I have to offer or anything. I want you to understand that my goal in the Facebook groups that I'm not paying anything for, my local yard sale groups right in my area, is to get them to my website. That is it. So I'm using this time of year, this pet odor post in all my local yard sale groups. I belong to about 60 of them. So I also have a blog on my website, and it takes them right there. And this is my blog. And it talks you about carpet cleaning tips and tricks. And this is the one about pet odors. And so it gives them some knowledge on how they should get pet odors out of their carpet. And what does it do? It takes them to my website, because this is my blog, and it tells them all the things that I can do. It brings them back to me. Do you guys understand that? Are you understanding? Oh man, let me see if I can bring this up. I want you to see my blog on my website. So you guys, I forgot that I didn't have that up there yet. Let me see if I can do this real quick. Yep. All right. Boom. So there it is. I wanted you guys to see this. So it takes them to my website. Once again, how much did I pay for this? Oh, I'm sorry, guys. Wow. Give me a minute here. Here we go. That's my blog on my website. So it didn't cost me anything. Oh, jeez. Wow. You guys couldn't hear me all that time? I apologize. So let's go back here. This brings them to my post. Remember, I joined a Facebook group, yard sales. Cost me nothing to join my local yard sales and yard groups. And this is what it does. This is my post. It has a picture of a before and after deal here with some carpets that were heavily stained. And then I'm not selling them anything. I'm not selling them anything. What I'm doing is I'm talking to them and I'm relating to them. This is very important that you guys understand that, because you'll get thrown out of these yard sale groups really quick. We all know that pets are adorable and how we love our pets. We often treat them like family members. If you are a pet owner, you are probably aware of how pet stains and odors happen just when you're not looking. Your house pet has accidents and on your lovely carpet and furniture has been decorated with stains. Your pets bring joy into your home on a daily basis. Unfortunately, they also bring unpleasant odors, which is unbearable. And that's all it says. I'm not trying to sell them anything. I'm not trying to really push it out there. I'm trying to give them a tip. So then it takes them to where? It takes them to my blog on my website. And that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to get them to my website. That's the goal. So it takes them to the blog. It gives them some tips on what they can do to try to handle this. And at the top here, it says carpet cleaning tips and tricks. So they got used to this. See, I'm giving a community service that's going to take them to my website, and then what's it going to do? It's going to make them call me. It's going to make them talk about me. It's going to make them refer me. And this is the same information that I've used to all my clients that I text to them in my House Call Pro. I text them with this picture and then the same post that does what? Bring them back to my website. See, you can do this. You can make a lot of money and you don't have to really pay for the marketing if you have everything in place. You want to have it in place. Well, if you're interested in hearing more, you can give us a call at 484-420-7220. Once again, it's 484-420-7220. Use a lot of money you can make right in social media and right in your House Call Pro, and you don't have to spend money to start off with. I'm not saying you shouldn't spend none. I would never tell you that. But why not work what you have to get what you want first? This is Roger Lloyd, Friday Night Insights. I hope this helped a couple of you. And if you're ready to make a dramatic change in getting clients, give me a call. Let's get you running the right way. Thank you and good night.